everyone, this is Jason and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to continue our series looking at products, apps, and services that are cryptocurrency or blockchain related. In today's video we're going to be looking at permission.io. Now a lot of us have heard and maybe even used products that basically pay you for your time, where you will accumulate points or maybe even cash for watching videos, completing surveys, etc. And permission.io is similar to that, but you generate cryptocurrency in the form of the permission tokens, ASK, whenever you watch a video or clip. The sign-up process, I should say, is fairly straightforward. Email, password, confirm password, and if someone referred you, enter a referral code. So we're going to go and log in. When you first log into the permission.io platform, you're going to be taken to the landing page, and the first thing you're going to see will be all of the videos that you can click on and accumulate permission tokens from watching. The videos are different in length, they vary. So you have some that are a few seconds, 30, 40 seconds, up to some that are up to 2 to 3 minutes, depending on if it's a trailer or a commercial or a talk. So on the left, you'll see an option for the wallet. So the wallet right now is currently in beta. So when you log in, the first thing you're going to see is this pop-up telling you that your wallet is not secure and your permission tokens are at risk. Now what they're wanting you to do is enable 2FA, two-form authentication, which you should always do anyway. If it's available, put it on. So because they're trying to test the wallet, they automatically give you 2,000 ASK. And what they would like for us to do to test the wallet is send, receive ASK, and use the QR code to make sure everything works. Think of it as bug hunting. Below that, you have your profile page, which requires you to re-enter your password in order to access, which is good because they ask for demographic information, such as your birth date, your location, zip code, and what you're interested in. That information should remain private, which I'm glad they add password verification before you can enter that. So we're going to hit cancel, and it takes you back to the home page. Now let's go to activities. Now your activities are tagged to your login. So once you have signed in and start clicking on videos, your activities tab will show you everything you've watched and how many ASK you have earned so far. There's also a network activity tab, but that's more of a social aspect. It's not necessary to use that in order to use the platform. Okay, you have your settings, and here is where you'll update your email, change your password, and enter two-factor authentication. You have access to your private keys, and you can request your data or close your account. So we're going to look at one of the videos so you can see what happens when you do. Let's look at this 16-second one. You watch this and you'll earn 18 ASK. Video should auto-load.
This is Dell Cinema Stream, designed for less buffering and smoother video streaming. Experience Dell Cinema technology on the XPS 13.
And you'll see I've been awarded 18 ASK. Lastly, we're going to look at the Referral and Earn tab, which gives you links for Facebook, Twitter, and email links that you can share. Here's your referral code, and this is the one I'll be putting in the description, so if you please. And finally, you can copy your referral link. And there's also a QR code if you prefer. So that's it. It's a fairly easy platform to get involved with. This is an easy way to on-ramp people into cryptocurrency without having to jump through a bunch of hoops with exchanges, KYC, etc. I want to thank you everyone for watching this video. I appreciate you coming and supporting the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're on Twitter, I can be found at DragonWolfTech. Thank you and have a good day.